Okay, so voter purges. Voter purges are basically taking voters off of the registration roll. It's needed in order to keep and maintain accurate voter lists and records, taking voters who may have moved or died off of the rolls. It's a simple part of voter roll maintenance. However, the problems start with who exactly gets purged. For example, voter purges have disproportionately targeted voters of color, people charged with felons, low-income people, and young people. The problem becomes even more apparent when you realize that, according to the U.S. Election Assistance Commission, over 19 million voters were removed from the rolls between 2020 and 2022, with the number only increasing substantially as time goes on. There are some measures that are set in place to regulate the ways that voter rolls are maintained, though. For example, the National Voter Registration Act of 1993 puts limits on the reasons voters could get removed from the rolls, bans states from doing maintenance within 90 days of an election, and requires states to non-discriminately and systematically eliminate people off the rolls in accordance with the Voting Rights Act. Additionally, the Help America Vote Act of 2002 requires states to keep digital lists and be in compliance with other measures, including the National Voter Registration Act. Overall, though, voter purges are a form of disenfranchisement. It negatively impacts the number and types of people that can vote, and disproportionately affects marginalized groups. In this sense, it goes directly against the ideals of democracy, leading to a smaller and smaller voting pool. More restrictions on who can be taken off the rolls are needed to ensure that people are able to vote. This would hopefully greatly decrease the number of people who are purged, leading to less problems come election day. Alternatively, lessening voting registration restrictions could remedy the effects of voter purges, ultimately easing the process of voting and thus enfranchising people.